What's going on? What's going on, everyone? Ryan Loede here, aka The Machine. Hope everyone's having an absolutely fantastic day. Coming to you live from the LC Financial Group Cleveland, Ohio office. Hey, we're growing a 9-figure insurance agency over here at LC Financial Group, and we want to help you create a multiple 6-figure renewal income here at LC Financial Group. We're hiring, we're growing, and we're expanding in all 50 states. So if you want to learn more about what partnering with us here at LC Financial Group would look like, DM me, comment below, reach out to any of our partners here at LC Financial Group, or hey, send an email to our careers team, careers@teamlcfg.com, careers@teamlcfg.com. Hey, good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Coming to you once again with another insurance tip for insurance agents and agency owners. Hey, if you don't know me, I take full responsibility. My name is Ryan Loede, owner of LC Financial Group, also known as, hey, my name is The Machine. So hope you find this well. Hope this brings you some value and some good data and some good information. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, subscribe to my channel, share this with other individuals, shoot me something in the comments below. Best comment is going to receive some free LC Financial Group merch like this polo I'm wearing, the LC Financial Group polo, or some RL Ryan Loede merch. So shoot me something in the comments below. Best comment's going to receive some free merch. So what are we talking about today? We're going to be talking about the one practice that will help you build more discipline and more consistency as an insurance agent. As we all know, consistency and discipline is vital. It's one of the most important factors to creating success in any area of life. One of the most important factors to creating success in any area of life, right? Because if we're not consistent, if we're not disciplined, then we're going to get inconsistent and spotty results and spotty outcomes, right? The environment will never reward inconsistent and undisciplined actions and activities. We have to know this, right? Have you ever had a week where your results were going up and then down, or maybe you had a week that the results were just continually going up, right? You started well Monday, Tuesday, even more results, even more closes or enrollments, Wednesday, even more, Thursday, even more, Friday, even more, right? Or maybe you had a week that the results, they started good and then they kept going down, right? Well, hey, what it really truly is going to stem back to is your consistency and your discipline, right? Are you showing up every single day at the right time? Are you showing up early? Are you staying late? Are you making the same amount of calls, if not even more calls, right? Are you doing the activities and the actions that you know you should and could be doing, right? Are you following through on what you say you're going to do? You put forth obligations and commitments in your life, right? You talk about it. However, are you backing it by the actions and the activity that you know you should and could be doing, right? So consistency and discipline. And now this one practice is going to help you build consistency and discipline. It's helped me tremendously, right? And it's what's called having a list of always. Building a list of always. Building a list of things that you always do every single day. Because consistency and discipline, it's built on a day-to-day basis. So today, we're going to be talking about the list of always. Because, hey, if you don't have always, what are you going to end up with? You're going to end up with nevers, right? If you don't always do something and you're spotty and inconsistent with it, then it's like almost never going to happen, right? How do you build a habit? How do you build a lifestyle? Habit is built after, it's about 21 to 30 days. A lifestyle is built after 90 days. So how do you consistently, on a disciplined basis, do the right activities over the right amounts for 21 days, for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years? It all starts with those day-to-day activities and actions, right? And that's what really truly matters, right? We don't need to focus on this week ahead of us or this month ahead of us. We just need to focus on the present moment, because that is what matters most. When are you thinking about this week? You're thinking about it in the present moment. When are you thinking about this month? You're thinking about it in the present moment. Staying focused on the present moment, being all there with your activity, with your actions, with your energy, with your commitment, with your focus, with your thoughts, with your creativity, being all there at the current present moment. Because the last thing that we want to have, and one of the things that throws a lot of individuals' consistency and discipline off, is like they're thinking about one thing when they should be thinking about something like what they're currently doing, right? Like you're making a phone call, but you're thinking about what you're going to eat for dinner, right? Are you going to be able to effectively help that individual when you're on that phone call? No, because you're thinking about something else. So one of the best ways to build consistency and discipline is like being all there with what you are doing, being intentional with what you are doing, right? And one of the ways in which we will be all there, one of the ways in which we'll be intentional, and most importantly, build that consistency and discipline, is by having what we call a list of always. Things that we do every single day, no matter what, like clockwork, right? It's like waking up every single day. You know, we always want to do that. I mean, we don't necessarily always want to wake up every single day, but we want to wake up. We rather wake up than not wake up, right? So building the list of always, building those things that we do every single day, whether we feel like it or not, right? Because, hey, it's easy to win and it's easy to succeed when you're winning and when you feel like doing something. But the times that you really need to do something, those times that you really need to take action and commit and follow through, are the times when you don't feel like doing something. We all have those times. We all have those times we don't feel like waking up. We don't feel like reading our book. We don't feel like going to the gym. We don't feel like making the call. We don't feel like following up. We don't feel like doing those hard tasks and activities, making those difficult decisions, right? We don't feel like having that conversation with someone. Those are the times when we really need to do it, right? So having that list of always, of those activities and actions that we do every single day, right? When you start to do those action activities every single day, what's going to happen is you're building a strong foundation. You're building a very structural framework of a disciplined and consistent life.